AJ Parks is in the identification, reward and recognition business.
We manufacture a large variety of things from plastics to medallions.
Name badges for identification, plaques and awards to recognise people's achievements, medallions for events like swimming or corporate functions, and badges for schools and corporate organisations.
All the kind of products that companies and businesses in education and governments need to promote or award a person in their organisation.
Our quality of identification products really sets us apart from the rest.
We have a very successful identification product.
They focus on the first contact point that a business has with a customer or a staff member has with another staff member.
Regardless of the size of the organisation, the need to identify each other is very important.
It's important for staff to know each other's names in communication. I mean, nothing's more valuable than effective communication in the workplace.
It connects people to the business.
The very first contact of a business with a customer is important and can dramatically change the way your business can close the deal or not.
It enables that the two parties to develop a trust between each other.
It's something that is more and more important with the population growing, business changing.
It's who we are, who we belong to, what we are.
And the cost is actually ridiculous compared to the benefit that a company has.
AJ Parks is always thinking of new things to bring to the market.
Our creativity and our inspiration comes from our customers' feedback, what they want, what they need. You know, we offer that full package.
Our innovation is customer driven.
We have that open source philosophy.
We consume at least half the day preparing for new products, new designs, new moulds.
We don't charge setup or design fees. You know, we'll provide mock-ups first to make sure that the customer's happy. So that's one level of service that a lot of our competitors aren't willing to do without cost.
We found a need to have a badge that the customer could put a different name into it.
We're able to get that customer exactly what they want.
50% of my day would be taken up with looking at new design concepts that have been driven by our innovation program.
AJ Parks has a long-standing tradition.
It was around during both wars.
And that length of time we've built up a huge amount of experience and knowledge.
The company's kept up with the technology, but it's also changed to suit the environment that we have to work in.
We're ever evolving company.
I've been with the company for over 33 years and I've seen a lot of changes.
Adapting to change has been a significant driving force for me.
There have been people that have worked here and still working here that have had the foresight to see the new technology in helping the business grow.
It's a company that does the best at what it can do.
Everything is produced here, produced by a process of injection moulding, and this process has a high level of control over it. It is extremely fast and far more economic than either lasering or punching out the badge.
The plastic moulding machines are designed specifically for our name badges. They're unique in the design.
This production department is constantly supply all the other departments with the raw material they need in order to create your product.
We pride ourselves of the full control of the process from the raw material right through to the end product. It's a very multitask organisation we have here. Plenty going on, which makes me happy.
And there's other companies that we're competing against that don't make anything. You know, they get it imported.
The plastic injection component can be made out of a recycled polymer. We are concerned about the environment, and that's why we use this method of plastic injection moulding.
We have several ways you can approach the company.
You can place an order by phone,
1-800-777-125.
fax.
You can walk in the front door.
But preferably the website.
Well, it's easy and simple to use.
All the information's there that they need to start their investigation into what they're going to be requiring.
There's tools to show you how to use a website if you've not used it before. All the prices are on there and what optional extras and fittings there is.
ajparks.com.au is the only website where you can design your name badge online.
It's best to order online because once you've uploaded your logo, plugged in all your information, it's there for next time.
In future, they just have to go on to our website facility and reorder that design. A lot of our customers are quite happy to go online themselves and have a play because it is set up in a way that you can choose different colours, choose different fonts.
Choose the size of the name badge you want. Upload your logo or any other image. Choose background color, border color.
Choose it all and see what's going to suit you best.
If you need to upload a name list, you can do that. And then once you got everything done online, you can place this order.
You can actually order a badge 24 hours of the day, 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week.
And we have people who've placed an order at, 1 a.m. or 11 p.m. the day before, and the order will automatically be processed, go to the UV process at 10 a.m. and being dispatched at 3 p.m.
Very easy, very simple, very secure. You can pay online through various methods, PayPal or through the gateway of eWay.
Credit card information are recorded with eWay, not with AJ Parks.
Totally secure. Or for our account customers, they can pay offline.
You can find AJ Park's name badges under namebadgesinternational.com.
The presence of the Name Badge International brand is growing, and that's only a start.
This manufacturing system that we have here is a duplicatable system that we have happening in the UK, France,
New Zealand, the US,
Germany, Netherlands.
This system completely suits the global market. It's a technology that is readily available in overseas countries. Using our systems and methods, of course, make it a unique service.
Our exporting is roughly, it's basically doubled. We went from not exporting a great deal to about 200,000 or so a year.
Yeah.
This is all possible because of the level of expertise that our team here in Brisbane has been able to obtain. They were able to duplicate this system throughout the world.
The growth in the new customer base in the past 3 or 4 months has been exceptional.
About 95%.
This is just the start of the whole process. It's the beginning of a greater business, and we have some good training programs within the business.
The importance of our manufacturing system here at AJ Parks is seen in the employees that we have.
Not only are we putting a large part of the budget into technology, but also into the training.
It's a very collaborative team effort here at AJ Parks. Every part is like a part of a wheel. It all fits together rather nicely.
These employees range from artists to process workers.
They all have vital roles and we'd just be lost without one of them.
It's a great company to work for. Good people.
The management has a very good relationship with the staff and always try to find the best way to work together.
You can take an idea that you've had to help a customer and go and speak to anyone from any department, and they'll take time to say, that's a great idea, and offer advice or guidance.
There's a lot going on all the time, which is great. It's fun.